Hi guys, my name is Rohit and I've been working in data science and AI field from last 10 years. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about why it is important to learn Python in 2024. Because Python is the programming language which can open a lot of career opportunities for you, not just in data science and machine learning. Apart from that, also there are a lot of career opportunities using Python. So let's discuss about why it is important to learn Python in 2024. Let's get started. Now to start with, first of all, understand that Python is an open source programming language. So there are a lot of packages, modules and libraries available in Python and all of them are open source. So basically you can use those packages for building your own products, building your own applications and you don't have to pay anything for using this software. And this is the first reason why Python became really popular. The second reason is using Python, there are a lot of job roles which can be targeted. So for example, if you learn Python and then on top of that, if you learn machine learning, you can target job roles related to machine learning and data scientist, AI engineer. Then let's say that you're someone who is trying to get into a development job, a full stack development job. Then using Python, you can work as a backend developer. Using Python, you can also develop front end. You can develop APIs using Django and Flask framework, which is available within Python. Then using Python, you can also become a data engineer. You can create those data pipelines. So Python is useful in the data engineering job profile as well. Then if you have learned Python and libraries like Pandas, NumPy, then you can use Python for basic data analysis. You can target the data analyst roles. So there are a lot of job roles which can be targeted using Python. And that's the big advantage that you get if you learn Python in 2024. Now, if you're a fresher and you're trying to get into IT industry, there might be a lot of skills which you're thinking about. That should I become a data scientist or should I become a data engineer or should I become a full stack developer or should I target something completely different than that? So if you have such kind of a confusion in your mind and you want to start your career somewhere, my recommendation to all of you is for next 2 months, just focus on learning Python. I mean, you don't even need 2 months to learn Python. Even 1 month is enough. So just focus on learning Python over next 4 to 6 weeks. If you do that, after you learn Python, after you're comfortable with Python, now within Python, I want all of you to cover topics like how to declare different kind of variables, how to write functions, then what are the different data structures in Python, then the libraries within Python like Pandas, NumPy library for basic data analysis. So try to learn at least these topics. And after you learn these topics, then you would get a lot of clarity regarding Python. And then you can think about exactly in which field you want to build your career. Do you want to learn now machine learning and target data scientist role? Or do you want to learn tools related to data analyst and target data analyst role? Or you want to get further into Python and on top of that, add skill sets like SQL or any kind of skill sets around data engineering to target a data engineering role? Or you can become better at building APIs and then target backend development or kind of roles where it's a lot of API development needed within that role. So if you learn Python, there are various job opportunities which will open for you. So if you are really confused, my recommendation to all of you is learn Python. Now within generative AI as well, if you want to consume APIs of OpenAI and if you want to build your own chatbots, question answer system, any kind of application like that, again, Python is useful. So using Python, you can also build generative AI applications. So you can also target career in that direction. So Python is definitely useful, guys, and Python is the language of 2024. And you would see that in next 5 to 10 years, people who are expert in Python, they would have a lot of career opportunities. And even now, if you go on any job portal and if you search for job roles related to Python, you would find there are a lot of opportunities for people who know Python programming. And on top of that, if you also build skill sets like machine learning, data science, and if you start exploring libraries like scikit-learn, Keras within Python, that would help you to target roles within data science as well. So my recommendation to all of you is start learning Python if you haven't done that already. And there are a lot of free resources available on YouTube. You don't have to pay to anyone to learn Python. Even I have created a playlist on Python where I have taught right from the basics of variable declaration, writing functions, writing loops, till all the Python data structures, how to get data from API, how to visualize data using Python, important libraries within Python like Pandas and NumPy. All those topics I have covered in my dedicated playlist for Python. So you can watch that playlist as well and you can start learning Python because Python is definitely one programming language which would give you a lot of career opportunities. I don't think there is any other programming language which can open so many career opportunities for all of you. So if you are a fresher or if you are someone who is working in the IT industry and you want to get into a better role, a role where you can solve some problems using Python, or you can try to become a data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, anything that is of your interest, start learning Python first, because it is going to give you lot of career opportunities. So Python is definitely the language of this decade, and it's a language which will give you the opportunity to get into your dream role. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.